Hello, bread lovers. Welcome to Vlog and Good Food. Today we are delving into the world of bread with the tree's delicious bread recipes for all occasions. Let's kick things off with the basics. If you are a beginner, these easy bread recipes are perfect for you. From homemade classics to healthy options, we have got you covered. First up, classic homemade bread. There is nothing like the aroma of freshly baked bread. It's a simple joy. For those watching their diet, we have some healthy bread recipes that are equally delicious. Craving something sweet? These bread recipes are here to satisfy your sweet tooth. Dive into the world of bread pudding, a comfortable dessert that's both warm and indulgent. Our chocolate chip banana bread is a crowd pleaser. It's the perfect blend of sweet and comforting. If you are looking for a unique twist, try our zucchini bread recipes. They are a delightful surprise. Let's switch gears to savory delights. These bread recipes are packed with flavor and perfect for any occasion. Garlic bread lovers rejoice. Explore the world of garlic bread with these mouth-watering variations. Turn your bread into a canvas for pizza creativity. Discover the art of making bread pizza. Crispy, crunchy, and oh, so delicious, these breaded creations will have you coming back for more. Bread is not just for snacks, it can be the star of any meal. Let's explore its versatility. Bread rolls are perfect for any occasion, from dinner parties to bites. They are always a hit. Elevate your snack game with these irresistible bread snacks. They are quick, easy, and utterly satisfying. Turn bread into a hearty meal, and these creative ideas, from sandwiches to full-on feast, it's bread at its best. There you have it, a bread lover's dream. Don't forget to visit blogginggoodfood.com for detailed recipes and more food inspiration. Subscribe for the latest culinary delights. Until next time, happy baking and savoring.